One of my favorite things about self-publishing is that it gives me almost total freedom over the appearance of my books' interiors. I love to experiment with cool fonts in my books. Unfortunately, there are certain fonts you won't be able to use in your self-published book. The only fonts you can use in your book are fonts which are embeddable. This means that the font will stick to your document, no matter which device it is opened in. In order to tell whether a particular font is embeddable, you'll have to go into your fonts file. So if you're using a PC like me, you'll have to go into your C drive, click Windows, and then click Fonts. To see whether a particular font is embeddable, you'll have to right-click on it, click Properties, and then click Details. Under the Fonts Embeddability section, you'll see one of 4 different things: Installable, Editable, Print and Preview Only, or Restricted. You can use any font in your book as long as it doesn't say Restricted in the Fonts Embeddability section. So feel free to play around with different fonts, but make sure they're embeddable. In the next section in this series, I'll show you how to make a few cool finishing touches to your book's interior. See you there.